So I recently got a warning on my dash light that I have low air pressure in my tires. So in this video, I'm going to basically show you what I do to cure the issue and to do some little bit of tire pressure maintenance. So as you can see here, I'm checking the tires with just a regular tire gauge to determine which ones are low and how low they are. It's just a regular $5 tire gauge you can pick up pretty much anywhere, Walmart or any hardware store or auto parts store. So I've determined that it's both tires on the passenger side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some air. So for the first one, I have just a regular hand pump here. These are fairly cheap. You can pick one up for, I don't know, anywhere between $10 and $20. And like I say, it's basic hand pump. You just pump the tire up. This particular pump has a gauge on the bottom, and so I can see what the pressure of the tire is. Now these tires were both down to about 25 pounds, which set off the pressure alarm. So we're going to bring them back up to around 30 to 32 psi, which is what I normally run in these tires. These are winter tires. Summer ones may be a little different, different rim, different type of tire. So I put some air in that one. As you can see, there's the pressure gauge, and I think I've got it pretty close. I'll double check it after. The next one is one of these one of these battery operated pumps. These are a little bit more money, but they are way more easier to use as far as labor intensive. You basically just put it in, plug it into the tire. It'll tell you what the current pressure is, and you can set the pressure to where you want it, and then you basically just hit the start button and away you go. It'll do its own thing. Once it gets up to pressure, it'll shut itself off, and you don't really have to worry about watching it. You just start it up and let it go. So while I wait for that, I'm going to check the other tire here. I'll just grab my little tire gauge, make sure that the gauge on the pump is similar to that mechanical gauge. The ones on the pump, they're not as accurate as the handheld ones. So it was just a touch low, so I'm just going to add a little bit more air to this tire. Again, there's a little bit of effort needed to run one of these mechanical pumps, but like I say, they're easy. You can just throw them in the back of your car, in your trunk, in your hatchback, and if you do get one of those annoying tire pressure alarms, you can just basically pop out and add a little bit of air. So I've got that one back up to where I like it. So I'm going to put the valve stem cap back on, and the other one has already brought itself up to pressure with the battery powered pump. Everything looks good, so I'm basically just going to take this off and put the cap on that. And that's basically it. Both tires are back up to pressure. And I'll just show you on this where you can see the dial. That's basically the pressure reading, and the top one there, that's the amount of battery power you have left. So yeah, so there you go. That's tire maintenance 101. Both tires back up, pressure, everything's good. So we'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you find this information helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.